We are undergoing at the moment a severe transition, a rapid transition. We have an increased urbanization all over the world. And this urbanization and the need for more infrastructure, for more housing, requires material. And this material, among others, also consists of cement. Nevertheless, we have to think about how cement can be used in a sustainable manner. And I'm sure in the next 5 to 10 years, also the cement industry will undergo a tremendous change. There will be different types of cement, different applications of cement as concrete, and also the question how to reduce further the CO2 emissions of the cement. And this will definitely, it has to happen, it will happen. And I'm sure we need new innovations in order to make the cement industry more sustainable. The biggest advantage of concrete is definitely its price. Concrete is cheap. It's a material which is robust, which is solid, which has a lot of experiences in any kind of infrastructure. If it's road, if it's skyscraper, whatever it is. It has a lot of advantages. And it has also, of course, as we know, some disadvantages. And to balance better the advantages of concrete and of cement with its disadvantages, this will be the challenge in the future. I'm working on this topic with AFA since at least 10 years, and I was very much involved on this issue. I'm surprised that we still do not have a bigger application in countries like India, in other emerging economies. We have high substitution rates already in Europe, but when you look at countries like India, we are at the edge of about 1 to 2% of substitution, despite the fact that you have a lot of problems with the waste, which is generated here, which is just illegally disposed somewhere, creating a lot of environmental negative impacts. So I would very much appreciate if we could also go ahead in countries like India to promote further the application of alternative fuel and raw materials in the cement production. When you look at the entire world, India is a global player. India and China will be those countries influencing most the development of our world. And when you look for the near future, how much buildings we have to build, about the investments in infrastructure, India will have a significant responsibility also, and India, including the cement industry, has to share this responsibility and has to do more with less, which is also the topic of one of the sessions today.